In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable link to your Canva video using the best method. This is a fantastic way to enhance your videos, making them more interactive and engaging for your audience. Whether you're promoting your latest blog post, directing viewers to your online store, or simply providing additional information through a link, this feature can be a game changer. First, ensure you've already created your video in Canva. If you haven't, go ahead and design your video project as you normally would, incorporating all the elements you need. Once you've got your video ready, it's time to add that crucial clickable link. Begin by logging into your Canva account and navigating to your project. Look for the video you want to edit and click to open it. The next step is to upload your video to Canva's platform. If your video is not already uploaded, click on the Uploads menu on the left side of the screen, and then select Upload Media. Choose the video file you want to work with from your device. Once uploaded, drag your video file onto the design canvas. To add a clickable link, you'll need to place an element over the video that can hold a hyperlink. This is typically done using a transparent element, like an invisible button. So, head to the Elements tab on the left menu, and search for a button or a shape. Choose a basic shape from the results, and click to add it to your design. Adjust the size of the button to suit your needs. You can position it anywhere over the video, but typically you'll want it where it can be easily seen, without obstructing important visual content. To make it invisible, click on the element to select it, and then choose the color option from the top toolbar. Here, you can reduce the transparency to 0, effectively making it invisible to viewers. Now, let's add the link to your invisible button. With the button still selected, navigate to the top right corner of your Canva interface and find the link icon. Click on it, and the Link Options dialog will appear. This is where you'll input the URL you want your viewers to be redirected to when they click the button. Once you enter the URL, hit Apply to set the link. It's important to test your link before concluding the editing process. Click on the Share button on the top right of the screen, then select Present or Play to preview your video as a viewer would see it. While previewing, click on the area where your invisible button is located, just to ensure the link operates correctly. And there you have it. A clickable link neatly embedded in your Canva video ready to boost interaction with your audience. Remember, the goal is to keep engagement seamless, so be sure that your links are relevant and add value to your content. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!